It's about time for niggas to realize when you get under pressure, you just gotta stay alive. Don't fold it, don't flex, niggas fade away like scribble lines. Stand tall and stand strong, you can see the hate between their eyes. It's snitching in disguise, they ratting and telling lies. Don't let it break you down, every day I need a prize. When you hit that bottom line, only thing you do is climb. I'm striving for success and every day I'm getting high. But I give you my best and every day I'm gonna invest my time. So when I elevate the greatness, I won't let you waste it. I'm concrete like a basement and I'm trying to build from ground up. So if you don't wanna see us make it and get from around us, they trying down us cause we really act a different way. You ain't built how I'm built, so you should hit a different way. Don't keep trying to act tough, for these and knots gon' hit your face. Leave his ass real stiff, I hit him up all different ways. Niggas want me out the game, well guess what, I'm locked in. Straight to go, that's to the end, I swear I lost so many men. I don't have too many friends, cause niggas always try pretend. Hear your brother one day, the next day he jump the fence. So I'm always on defense, gotta keep my guard up. I got issues with myself, sometimes I talk to God, bro. Like why my brother had to go, why can't I put this rod up? Free my niggas locked in, when they get home we all up. Long with the strong hood, why would you ever cross us? Undertaker in his palm, I leave you 6 feet under. Go and take a slump, but we left from napping in the dirt. Train to go, we put in work, now your nigga on the shirt. Now you tell me how I feel, yeah I know that shit hurt. I don't care, right or wrong, I ride with my brothers first. If you cross me, gotta ask them out, take them out to earth. Can't get body when you beefing, gotta handle business first. But a shorty on your ass, get them for it, get you worse. Rest in peace to all my niggas, I'ma put you in the first. DD, why you leave me, baby? All this blood you left a curse. Every time I think about you, make me wanna put in work. Had a dream the other day, you said it's gon' be okay. Just do you and make a way, so everybody can eat. Get on your feet and stand 10 toes, so everybody can see. We plan them niggas is knee high, dragging in the streets. Yeah, she gone too, so unexpected. Why you had to leave? Wish we spent more time together, cause you was a part of me. When you had to use the burner, come and grab it, what you need. I got you, diamond, just stay dangerous. We all gotta eat. The last soldier that had left my life was far, I couldn't sleep. Cause I had a dream about you. The last night I couldn't breathe. When I woke up, I just text you. Dummy, you know me. Always got check on my niggas. Is you good? You got your heat. But one thing about the streets, when it's your time, you gotta meet the reaper. Just do what you do and don't ever let out your deepest secret. Them niggas gon' leak it cause they wanna see you drown. Just know niggas really clowns and they wanna see you frown. Crabs in the barrel, all they wanna do is pull you down. But we elevating the greatness, can't hold me back now.
Yeah, big coolie, bitch.